Hey everybody, Brandon Mason here, and we're going to show you a quick update on TagHub that just came out the last couple days. And quite frankly, it's one of the updates I've been waiting for. So we're going to go ahead and log in. Go ahead and hit log in. Okay, so I'm in TagHub. Now, one of the things that I'm excited for is I'm going to go ahead and click in Wyoming, because that's one of the states I'm most familiar with. So we can either scroll down right here and select Wyoming Maps and Charts or Expert Analysis, or we can do it in the drop-down menu, which I'm going to go to Maps and Charts because this is where the update is. So that's loading, and you're going to notice a difference compared to what it has been showing as to what it's showing now. So it used to be on the screen, it would show a condensed map version of the hot units that we label, the green chip, blue chip, yellow chip, all the ratings and the charts and everything. The tables and the charts would come up on the bottom and the right side of the screen. Now what we did is we made those expandable so that the first thing you see is the map with the units on your screen, and then to the left is the filters. So instead of being confused with all this extraneous information that you really don't need until you whittle down the type of hunt that you're looking for, you can use your filters for that and go through. Let's go ahead and select elk. We will do any weapon. It's already selected. Residency, I'm a resident, so I'm going to go there. Either sex, and I want to pick limited. So right there, it quickly filtered out some of the units that I would be looking for. Now, if I want to expand those charts and tables, you'll see right down here, circling with my mouse, and right over here to the right, there are little arrows and window panes that you can expand. And so I'm going to click on that, and look at that, the charts come up, or the tables, excuse me, and I can make those any size I want to. I can make them almost full page. I can filter through all of these different variables that are in TagHub, which for those of you that don't know, which if you're watching this video, you already know this, but this is simply our members research section, what we call our MRS and our magazines on steroids. So we're still producing the MRS and the magazines, but this digital tool, in addition to that, has more information, additional information, and then it allows you to filter it and sort by your needs only, so you don't have to look at all the units if you don't want to. And then I'm going to go ahead and expand this right window pane, and there are all my charts to go along with the table. So that's it, quick and dirty update. If you want them to completely condense again, just click those same arrows and they go away, and then you can zoom in or zoom out on your map. That's it. That's this week's update on TagHub.